Nandito kami ngayon sa waterfront to celebrate Canada Day. Oh, somebody will donate and then she will move.
Yeah, ayan na. O, ayan na.
Oh!
Ito na ibang tao. Ibang tao yun. Yung braso, halata.
Oo nga eh. There you go. Anong may linya dito oh? What is the line about? Oh, here's Han, dito ka, baka Ayan, manood tayo ng music. Oh, look oh, Navy Marine. Wow. You wanna? Look at, is it free? So, maglilinya kami ngayon kasi may pakain doon. Doon sa Anchorage is free.
So happy, so much so. When I'm feeling down, this is for you, Vancouver. I can call you. You give me strength in the morning time when I can't get out of bed. You are my peace when my mind's at work, and I'm only seeing red without a thing that's led. You are my
Yeah, but that's gonna be a really long.
So maglalakad na lang kami going to Dave's Hot Chicken. Kasi crowded eh. Maraming tao. Ganon din naman. So it's going to be like 19 minutes lakad. Okay. Yan sila na. Oo. Papicturan lang naman. No, it's okay. I know. So, ayan. Dito tayo. Para... Oh, it's here.
Oh, Jollibee.
Oh, Jollibee. Katabi lang pala ng Jollibee. Diyos. Malapit na kami sa Jollibee. Ayan, may mga ganap sila dito. Ayun. Napagod na ba si Gab?
Yes.
Kakain kami ng Dave's Hot Chicken. I know. Di ba masaya? Oh, Mario Brothers. I know. Oh, ano yan? May kaganapan dun. Oh, ano kaya yun? May performance gab. Oh. Okay, nandito na kami sa Dave's Hot Chicken. So, there's a line up.
I have no idea what they're
Ayan. So, hindi naman gaanon kahaba ang line up. So, okay lang.
Yes, dito mahaba.
Talaga? Talaga? Kailan? Nung nagpunta kayo dito, ano? Oh, talaga? Alam mo kasi busy. Nasa...
We went on the first day it came out.
Ah, okay.
We went opening.
Okay.
Mamaya na Gab.
Ay, ito yung ano, sa loob.
Oh, can I try that?
Which one? Ah, okay, sige, sige.
Library?
You wanna try that? Gusto daw ni... Ah, sandali lang, may ita-try lang si Gab. Go!
Oo, ka na rin yan. Yun ang mas nakasugan.
Ano yan? Gab?
Lobster. Lobster street.
I know. Ayun pala ang maingay.
They're so passionate. So loud and passionate.
Okay. Tatay daw siya ng shoes. Babalik ka dito. Doon ka, oh.
Okay, look at me. Grayson. Grayson.
Gab-gab. Umano ka. Ayun yung dalawa. Ayan, oh. Sana may picturean ko kayo. Dito na tayo. Doon tayo sa may medyo malapit-lapit.